Today we're going to be making a couple of installations in Nungwi, and you're going to be seeing us install the AirNodes. You'll be able to see all the processes that we go through.
So Nungwi is in the northwest of the island of Unguja in Zanzibar, the utmost tip, probably the furthest point on the island northwards. So for us, our customer base is very generic. We connect from a home or a very small business, like a SMB type business, a little kiosk, or just a stationery shop or barber shop and stuff like that. So we have the wide range from those little businesses to the much larger resorts that will pay for corporate fees, etc. There's hardly much corporate offices in Nungwi. It's mostly either tourist related or residential homes.
There's actually two sites that we have set up for today, one of which is an organic spices farm, and the other is a local saloon. They're very high active areas where there's a lot of movement and a lot of traffic.
Typically, connectivity was either via the telcos, via your phone, or you had to pay quite a big chunk of cash to be able to be connected on private fibers or point-to-point connectivities. As with any other part of the island, connectivity is still something that is treated as a luxury item. We are here to make sure that it's just a service that everybody has. So the need is there, the service is available, but it's still not as affordable as it should be. So what we have brought in is that change of paying the exorbitant amounts to paying an affordable amount.